Hey guys, in this video we're going to be counting down the top 5 best engine oil stop leak additives you can get right now. Whether you're driving a high mileage car, a truck, or even a diesel engine, these products claim to stop leaks and extend the life of your engine. We've done the research, and today we'll break down their features, performance, and value to help you decide. You can find the product links in the description below. Let's dive into it. At number 5, we have the Lucas Oil Hydraulic Oil Booster and Stop Leak. This product stands out because it's designed specifically for hydraulic systems, but its versatility makes it a great preventative solution for a variety of applications. It claims to stop seal leaks, increase hydraulic pressure, and reduce overall operating temperatures. The 1-gallon size, sold in a case of 4, is ideal for heavy-duty machinery, making it an excellent option for professionals working in construction or agriculture. The build quality of this product is standard for hydraulic oil additives, with a liquid formula that's easy to pour and mix into existing hydraulic oil. It's formulated to condition seals and extend the life of hoses, rams, and cylinders, which can save you costly repairs down the road. However, it's worth noting that this product isn't specifically targeted at engine oil leaks, making it less ideal for regular vehicle owners. In terms of value, the Lucas Oil Hydraulic Oil Booster is guessed for specialized use cases. If you're looking for a product to prevent wear and tear on hydraulic systems, this is a solid choice. However, for everyday car owners seeking to address engine oil leaks, you might not get the same level of performance. Pros include its effectiveness in hydraulic systems and its preventative maintenance benefits, while the cons include its specialized focus and limited applicability for standard car engines. Coming in at number 4 is the Bars Leaks 1334-5PK 1-Seal Stop Leak. This budget-friendly option offers a pack of 5 11-ounce bottles, making it a great value for those who need to treat multiple vehicles or want a long-term supply. Bars Leaks is a trusted name in the industry, and this product aims to condition seals and stop leaks efficiently. The design is simple, with plastic bottles and liquid formula for easy application. While it doesn't boast advanced features like some of the other products on this list, it gets the job done for basic leak prevention. It works well for minor leaks and helps rejuvenate seals and gaskets, but don't expect it to perform miracles on older engines with significant wear. For the price, it's hard to beat the Bars Leaks 1334-5PK. It's ideal for car owners who want an affordable solution for minor leaks without breaking the bank. The major pros include its affordability and ease of use, while the cons are its lack of advanced features and limited effectiveness on severe leaks. If you're on a budget, this is a reliable choice. At number 3, we have the Lucas Oil 11100 Engine Oil Stop Leak Top-Off Additive. This product is designed to condition seals and O-rings, helping to stop oil leaks while reducing friction and wear. Its formula includes state-of-the-art components that not only address leaks, but also extend the overall life of your engine. Each quart treats up to 6 quarts of engine oil, making it a cost-effective option for regular vehicle maintenance. The build quality of this product is reliable, with a liquid formula that's easy to mix with your existing engine oil. It's suitable for both cars and trucks, and its long-lasting effects make it a great choice for high-mileage vehicles. Customers have praised its ability to reduce oil consumption and improve overall engine performance. In terms of value, Lucas Oil 11100 strikes a good balance between affordability and performance. It's perfect for car enthusiasts and regular drivers who want a dependable product to extend their engine's life. Pros include its effectiveness on high-mileage vehicles and its long-lasting formula, while the cons are its higher price compared to simpler additives and its less specialized design for severe leaks. Overall, it's a strong contender. The runner-up on our list is the TriboTEX Nano Oil Additive Car Engine Treatment. This is a revolutionary product developed with funding from NASA and the U.S. Department of Energy. It uses synthetic nanoparticles to create a diamond-like carbon coating on your engine's internal parts, reversing wear and improving overall performance. It's compatible with both gas and diesel engines and works on vehicles old and new. The design and build of this product are highly innovative, with a 2-ounce bottle that treats one regular engine. While it's more expensive per ounce than other options, its cutting-edge technology ensures quieter and smoother engine performance. Many users have reported improved fuel efficiency and reduced engine noise after using this additive. If you're looking for a high-tech solution to engine wear and leaks, TriboTEX is worth the investment. Its pros include groundbreaking technology, multi-engine compatibility, and noticeable performance improvements. On the downside, its higher price point and smaller size might deter budget-conscious buyers. However, for those seeking state-of-the-art protection, this is a fantastic option. Taking the top spot is the STP High Mileage Oil Treatment Plus Stop Leak. This product is a favorite among high-mileage vehicle owners, and for good reason. With its ZDDP oil additive, it not only prevents wear, but also protects your engine against leaks, noises, and smoking. Its high-viscosity formula creates a thick cushion between moving engine parts, reducing friction and improving performance. The build quality is excellent, with a 15-ounce bottle that's easy to use during your regular oil changes. It's formulated for vehicles with over 75,000 miles, making it ideal for older cars and trucks. Users have praised its ability to rejuvenate seals and gaskets, ensuring long-term engine health. In terms of value, the STP High Mileage Oil Treatment offers the best combination of performance and affordability. It's perfect for drivers who want to extend the life of their high-mileage vehicles without spending a fortune. Pros include its high-viscosity formula, ZDDP additive, and excellent seal conditioning, while the cons are minimal, with some users noting it may not be as effective for severe leaks. Overall, it's a standout product and a clear winner in this comparison. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the right engine oil stop leak additive for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.